Hey YouTube, I think I owe you this one. My name's Spencer. It's been a long time since I made parts 1 and 2 of this piano tutorial, and in the interim, I started using they/them pronouns. If y'all out there on the internet would respect that when making comments in the little comment box, I'd appreciate that, because I see those. If you don't, I'll either delete them or I'll change it so I stop seeing those, whichever's easier. In any case, I hope that doesn't need to be an issue, because the part that's important is that I'm Spencer, and I'm here to teach you how to play Mellon Collie and the Infinite Sadness. Part 3? By which I mean I'm going to start the song entirely from scratch and try to, using the concept of triads, explain how to play this song without really digging into like the music theory of it all too deeply. You're going to start by playing this song by putting your hands. I'm going to assume that you have a basic knowledge of the piano, and that you know what the names of notes are, and that you can play major scales in like most keys. If you don't quite know all those things, that's okay. If you slow the video down, you should be able to follow my hands pretty well and figure it out that way. And also, my recommendation to everyone when learning music, the best thing you can use is your ear. Alright. Mellon Collie and the Infinite Sadness. You start with a D flat major triad. In both your hands, you play it, and then you arpeggiate it, meaning you play the chord with all of the notes at once, and then you play them from bottom to top. And then you play the chord twice on the top and land with the bottom one. I wouldn't necessarily actually play the full chord like that when you're not arpeggiating it, because I think it gets kind of muddy personally. But honestly, I can't really tell in the recording, so that's up to you. After that, you'll play. Or no, you won't, sorry. The thing about this song is I've played it for so long that a lot of it's muscle memory, so. There we go, of course. So what you're doing is you're playing a melody in your right hand that's going to be accompanied by 2 chords in the left hand. I'll play it again slowly. There's the D flat chord, then you'll play these notes into an E flat minor chord, and then play a G flat 5th an octave over here as you continue to play the melody in your right hand. Once more, all together. Also, please take my finger choice for granted. Like I said, I learned this song a long time ago, and I was a self-taught pianist, and I remain a mostly self-taught musician in a lot of ways. So my fingering is whatever makes most sense to me. It's not necessarily what is best, and if you find something that makes sense for you, I do encourage you to use it. Whatever is most comfy and comes with the least amount of effort. I'm not always great at, keeping my piano technique good. I just want to be wary of the advice I'm giving out here now that I'm an older musician. Alright. I'm sorry, y'all. It's a lot of pressure, So you're gonna do that again? Then you'll play the same melody in your right hand, but with new chords in the left hand. Play a B major chord, and then again the G flat, and then just the D flat and the D flat chord down here. You arpeggiate that chord from the bottom, and then play D flat, E flat, F, and then play the same melody with the first 2 sets of chords down here in the left hand, E flat and G flat, E flat minor specifically, and then the G flat 5. You'll play this 2-note pattern. Just watch my hand here. Oh, I'm sorry, that was wrong. There we go. It's a bit more of a leap there than I remembered. Again, my muscle memory. When I don't play it fast, I tend to play it incorrectly. But my ear can still tell me when it's wrong, fortunately. So once more. And then from here, we're in the B section. All together from the beginning, I'm going to play that at speed. Messed up a little bit there. Sorry. Then, here's the B section. I'm gonna arpeggiate an E major 7 chord, E, B, E, G sharp. I think about it just as a new key here, honestly. I guess E makes sense. I really honestly don't know. I still think about it as an E chord. F flat is too much for me. So you're gonna arpeggiate that E major 7, then walk it down after you hit the the D sharp. See, this is why switching keys sucks. Oh well. Then you'll play this chord, A sharp minor, I guess, or B flat minor. Then arpeggiate it. So, ba, ba, da, ba, 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 ba. These are just chord shapes. I really wouldn't actually play that third in there. That's a force of habit that I don't like. So then from there you repeat that instead of the E major 7. Then repeat that again on the B, G sharp minor. But this time you go down. Sorry. So after the repeats in the B section, after all that stuff, you then descend to E again, and then descend more back to where we started. If you need to go back through that, I recommend just scrolling back and slowing down. I've realized that the death of me making this video and posting it is editing, so it's going to be rough and raw, I'm afraid. Beginning starts the same as the other section. Now here's where it changes. New chords. Playing kind of a D flat chord, arpeggiating it, then going down to a B, kind of making it a major 7 by playing that note down, and then kind of a G flat 6th sound, and then I think both those notes sound nice. I don't remember which one's actually in the recording. Use your ears, because they're going to teach you the song better than I could. Eventually they add the thirds into it. And do it again. And then the second time you do the thirds. Oh, sorry. Go back to the walk down from the first A section. We're back here. This is the last repeat. Alright, and the last section. Begin the same way, but I would say more delicately. Just gonna switch back and forth between these chords. So E, major 7, to E flat minor 7, until we resolve down to D flat. D flat. yeah, I think the best way to learn that is to listen to what I'm saying and slow it down if you need to go back. I really hope that's helpful. I've been kind of nervous and joking about how long it's been as I've made this video, but the truth of the matter is I'm very nervous. And I do hope it helps people. I've always been happy that my previous ones have. Alright, y'all have a nice day. Take it easy out there. Wear a mask. Stay inside if you can. Please.